Hello and welcome back, and again it's basically another fridge raid. This is like using up everything that we got before we're going to go shopping tomorrow, so we're going to replace everything. So I'm using up absolutely everything that's left in the fridge, and then we can replenish. So what I've got some pork chipolatas. These are really tasty. If you can get hold of these, get them, they're really nice. Little sausages. I've got some orange coloured sweet peppers. Got some cabbage and carrots. Got some courgettes, mushrooms, some boiled ham that I've done the other day. Chopping up the rest of that. Got some mayonnaise. Got some garlic puree, black pepper, some seasoning, really nice, and some wraps. So obviously we're going to do some wraps. And I've already done some rice. Yes! So what I'm going to do is cook the sausages and then bring all this lot together. So we'll bring you back in a little while. A little squirt of olive oil. Get these little bad boys in. Okay, so these are done nicely. We'll take these out and chop them up, like, you know, really finely, and then we'll be back. Okay, so we're back. So what I'm going to do is add the peppers. Courgettes. The ham, some seasoning, some black pepper, some garlic puree. Add our sausages back in that's been chopped up. Our mushrooms. Okay, so that's all lovely. So I'm going to turn the heat off, let that cool down, and then we'll do finishing touches. Hello, and welcome back. So what we've got is a little mixture that we've cooked up. So what I'm going to do is add some rice. Yes! Add our lettuce and carrot. Add our mayonnaise. Have a little taster. Oh my god. Okay. So what we'll do, get the tortilla wraps out, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we're back. We've got our tortilla wraps, we've got our mixture. So what I'm going to do, obviously, is take some of this out. Roll it up a little bit, fold in the ends and roll it over. So here we have one. I'll do another 4 and I'll bring you right back. Okay, so we're back. What I'm going to do is, this one's broke up a little bit, but hey, can't all be perfect. Just going to put these in, toast them up each side. These are lovely ones. And once they're all like just a little bit toast on, give them a little bit of crunch, and then we'll be back and we'll put them on the plate, cut them open, and we'll see. See you in a minute. Well, oh my god. So this is basically, again, something out of nothing, with really nice Chipolata sausages. The boiled ham I had, the mushrooms, the courgettes, the carrots, the lettuce, the rice, the garlic puree, the peppers, and all that good stuff, all come together in a nice tortilla wrap. And I've already tasted this mixture and it's really nice. So all the ingredients will be in the description, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and hopefully the fridge will be full up again and we can go again. Thanks guys, see you later, bye.